Find or read reviews that people are talking about Szwdo Wireless Earbuds, Bluetooth 5.4 earbuds with multifunctional touch screen. ENC Noise Cancelling Headphones with 48-hour playtime, bass stereo sound. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Smarter and more convenient. Our wireless earbuds feature a smart multifunctional touchscreen charging case, providing a seamless listening experience. Unlike traditional earbuds, you can control volume, skip songs, manage calls, set alarms, and even locate your earbuds directly from the case. No need for your phone. It's the smarter, more convenient way to stay in control. Hi-Fi sound quality and 5 EQ modes. These in-ear wireless earbuds are equipped with 13mm drivers, delivering an immersive music experience. The Bluetooth earbuds allow you to feel the pulse of the beats and hear the clear lows, mids, and highs. With 5 EQ modes, you can adjust the sound profile to suit different music styles, ensuring a more personalized and authentic listening experience. Professional wireless noise cancellation. True wireless earbuds with ANC plus ENC block ambient noise and deliver crystal clear calls. Whether listening to music, watching shows, or on business calls, the moment you wear the earbuds, noise disappears. 4 adjustable noise cancelling modes let you customize settings via the charging case for the optimal experience. Enjoy long-lasting comfort with every use. Our earbuds are engineered for the ideal fit, based on extensive user testing, just like all the top brands. Ergonomically designed for a perfect fit, each earbud weighs only 0.13 ounces. This makes them the perfect choice for anyone who needs to wear earbuds for work, study, or exercise. Bluetooth 5.4 for fast and stable connection. These wireless earbuds are equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology, offering a transmission range of up to 33 feet. With superior security, connection efficiency, and interference resistance compared to Bluetooth 5.3, it effectively reduces signal interference and ensures a lag-free connection. Enjoy a stable audio experience, even in complex environments like subways or shopping malls. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.